In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz on Canva. Whether you're a teacher looking to engage your students or a marketer aiming to capture your audience's attention, creating a quiz can be an effective way to reach your goals. Best of all, Canva makes this process fun and straightforward. Let's dig in. First, you'll need to open Canva and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is free and only takes a few moments. Once you're logged in, head over to the search bar at the top of the home page. Here, type in quiz and press enter. This will take you to a variety of quiz templates that Canva offers. Browse through these templates and select the one that fits your quiz's theme and purpose. Remember, you can always customize these templates to better suit your needs, so focus on the layout and general style that feels right to you. After choosing your template, it's time to customize your quiz questions. Simply click on the text box where the placeholder question is and type in your own question. You'll also need to add the possible answers. Click on each option and type in your desired answer choices. If you need to add more options or tweak the layout, Canva gives you tools to do so. Feel free to adjust the size, color, and font to match your style or the spirit of your project. Creating a coherent style throughout your quiz can enhance its appearance and make it more enjoyable for participants. Next, let's focus on the visuals. Canva is known for its extensive library of graphics, images, and icons. To make your quiz more engaging, consider adding some relevant visual elements. You can search for specific images in Canva's library, or if you have your own pictures, you can upload them directly into your design. Simply click on the Uploads tab on the left side and select your files. Visuals not only make your quiz more attractive but also can help convey context or provide hints to your participants. Now that your quiz looks the part, don't forget to review everything for accuracy. Double-check your questions and answers to ensure there aren't any typos or errors. You might even want to ask a friend or colleague to take a look for an extra pair of eyes. Finally, when you're happy with your design, it's time to share your quiz. Click the Share button at the top right corner of Canva. You can choose to share it directly via email or get a shareable link. Alternatively, you can download your quiz in a variety of formats, such as a PDF or image, depending on how you intend to distribute it. And there you have it. With Canva's easy-to-use design tools, creating a quiz can be a smooth and creative process. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel empowered to make your own quizzes that captivate and inform. Happy designing!